the same. With every find we're cleaning, leaving nothing but the earth. Magnetic North adventures, discovering our world.
Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. It's Lee from Magnetic North Adventures, and I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm just on a short walk, going to bring some sounds of nature, things that we see in nature. That's all I'll be doing. Still resting at the moment, but I'm going to go on a short walk and take you all along with me. And I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers. It's very much appreciated. And to all those that leave comments, I do love to read those and get back to them when I can. Really, really do appreciate it. So welcome as well to everybody that's new. And I'm going to take you down next to the little river, and we'll listen to the bird song down there, the water flowing, and then I'll go see what plants and that are around. But you can hear the birds now, it's really nice. Got this small woodland glade around here, got holly trees just here as well, really nice. So I'll be back with you in a second. So we've got the gentle flow of the stream going over these small rocks, and the birds singing in the background. So this is really nice. I think we should spend a moment here and enjoy this. Just up on the embankment we've got marigold flowers and some ivy. We've got these up here which I'm not quite sure what they are. Certainly not dock leaves, so I'll have to have a look into those. But yeah, let's just enjoy this for a moment more. Beautiful clean water. This is in Derbyshire, England. And the natural slate, shale and bedrock just over there. Amazing. This is why I love to keep nature nice and clean, because it's peaceful, it's healing, and it does us all a world of good. So as we come down to the pond side, got the swan. It's just down here, it's just come out of the pond, having a wash and clean. So I do like to keep my distance from these because they are quite territorial and they are known to attack. So we'll just enjoy a bit of peace and quiet and the bird song in the background. So I'm so glad to see this. The other swan has come to join its friend, its mate, and swans always stay together. So when you see a swan on its own, it's sad. This is obviously a matched pair. A couple of years ago there was only the one. Sadly one got killed, and two more's come back. So really happy about this one. Can just watch them for a moment. Just there. There are plenty of ducks on here as well, more hens and coots, and you do get the occasional seagull as well, which comes on, and Canadian geese. And some of the geese over in the centre of the pond. Such beautiful nature, swans. Just down here, that there is the remains of a badger skull. Again, I'm not going to touch it, but that is the top section of a badger skull. And you can see the teeth on it. Pretty cool, but not for me. Somebody else can have that. There we go. So yeah, somebody else can have that one. I've just come down to this stream next to the fields in this woodland glade, and in here you can hear all the birds and the stream running. So let's just have a listen to that, and we'll go from there. You can hear the farm working in the background there. So you've got this area here of shale and natural river rocks, ironstone, things like that. You've got large chunks of natural shale. And in the United Kingdom, mainland Europe, this is the stuff that they used to make jewellery from. Rings, bracelets, from 2000 BC all the way through to about 100 AD. And it's quite hard material to work. It's very fragile, it does split a lot. But if you would like me to make something out of pieces of this, let me know in the comments, and I will actually attempt to make jewellery and artifacts out of this very stone. So let me know if that's something that you'd like to see come to the channel. It's something I've not done for a very long time, certainly never done in this material, but let me know if that's something you want to see. I want to hear your opinion. Really beautiful listening to all this nature, seeing all this what's around us. So hope you enjoyed this short video, and until the very next time, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.